What's going on, you guys? I'm going to make this quick video on how do I have my Thinkorswim set up for faster executions, and how do I do my, well, not really charting, it's mostly just the whole setup here that I have. But you guys can see I'm showing you guys a virtual account. But when you guys start off on Thinkorswim, on this top section here where it says real-time oh shit, real-time data, it always has, it shows you the real delayed data. It's somehow it shows delayed all the time, but you guys have to fix that by going to your setup, go to application settings, I believe, and you go to, let me see, I'm trying to figure shit out really quick. Oh, there you go, quote speed, you put real time, no delay. Make sure you guys have that on. Also apply settings. Once you guys have that, you guys have to go back to your website. This is my account. As soon as you go log into your TD Ameritrade account, you have to go to your, where it says my profile, you go to subscriptions, and you have to sign up for the real-time NASDAQ level 2 quotes, which is on this side here. It's $0. It just tells you, I don't even know why it does that, but I already have it there. So that case, in that way, you don't have your Thinkorswim delayed at all, because a lot of people have that problem in the beginning where the candlesticks are moving but the price isn't, or this is really delayed while somebody else already in a trade. But let me show you guys here. This is AMD, of course. Pretty sure you guys know how to do all of this. I'm not gonna show you that, how to add your EMAs or anything, but if you guys want to, it's on studies, edit studies, and you find your EMAs that you want. I'm not going to go through that in the video. You guys should know that already. It's just going to be a quick lesson on how do I have my setup. So first off, I have this as a chart. That has the tabs on the right side where it has trade, times the sales, active trader. If you know how to use all this, it'll pop up. But all I have here is my chart, and that's it, just a chart. So the way that I do have my setup for fast executions would be that I'll have two different cells. These are called cells or bars, whatever you guys want. I have two different ones. And where it's a symbol, since you guys now have two different ones, we're going to look at AMD, right? So let's say right now we're trading AMD. You put AMD. It'll show up the same thing. It's just a different one. So you guys want to look at 5 different charts, you guys can open up to like 6 of these, right? So it's up to you guys, but I'm showing you guys the simplest way. For a laptop or desktop, you guys can have 4 and have 1 of each on the bottom, but I'm gonna show you guys just 2 and you guys can do the rest. But as of here, we have AMD also, but on this one I'm going to take off chart, and all I'm gonna add is active trader on AMD. Okay, so right here is gonna show you this is the cost of the price of the share, which is 72.88. It usually highlight it. I don't see it here now, but it's at 74.44. Oh, there you go, 74.44. And so what we're gonna do here is really quick. Is where it says, once you type in AMD, you could go here and where it says options. At AMD, you're looking at AMD options. Let's say we're gonna take the 74 call. It'll show you here. You can put more strike prices if you want. If we put the, say, the 74 call for AMD, which I'll tell you AMD January 5th. Is it January 5th? Yeah, 2021 74 call. So we're gonna put okay, and there you go. This is the contract price. AMD, May 21st. 2021 74 call. That's one way. The other way is that you go to trade, you look up AMD here, obviously the contract right here, you know your option chains. When you look for to the May 21st, and on this side obviously you guys should know calls and puts. We're gonna get a call for the, let's say, 74 call that is gonna go up. So if it's gonna go up, we put a 74 call. We right click on the strike price, which is the ask. We go to send, and we send it to a color, which you have red, yellow, blue, green, purple, maroon, orange, you have, or 1 through 9. We put red. Go back to charts. Right here, there you go. You click on the little chain right next to the same where you put your ticker. Click on red, and there you go. It shows up. And you could do it on the second one if you want. If you have another contract, you could look at, let's say, puts. You want to play puts or calls, so you put 74. You might think it's gonna go drop, maybe to $70. Same thing here. You put 72 or $70. Let's say. Right click on the ask side. Right click, send. Yellow. Now we go to yellow. Same thing here. AMD. But you see, right now I have chart, but now it has the put. So I'll take off chart, go back to active trader, and there you go. Now you're able to play both sides. All you have to do is just click on calls, click to buy puts. But if you notice right here, it says market order. We're not gonna do a market order. We're about to do a, but I'm not really. This one looks really, to me, I already see it. It's a wedge like this. So it already looks, and plus is on demand. I never even trade this till now. So it might bounce at 72. We might see it going up. I'm just choosing a regular day. I don't even know. Just by looking at it, it might be bullish right now. It's a pop, so I'm just looking at calls. So I don't need this one, right? So now we should have calls. So we switch to buy market order and sell order. We go to settings right here where it says configure buttons. Settings, we delete where it says first line. We delete the double click, it'll take off. What you gotta look for is buy the ask and you sell the bid. It'll show up on the second line here. If you want, you could put buy ask on the first line, sell bid on the behind and at the bottom of the buy ask. That way it'll show up right there. But now it says buy ask and sell bid. Also, when you open this area, show buttons area, it's gonna show you the quantity if you want a contracts. You want 1 contract, 3 contracts, 5, 10. It's up to you. But we were gonna trade, let's say, with 3 on this account. I don't know how much it has here. Oh, let's reset it. The balance 200 or 100 million thousand. I don't know what the hell. So we're gonna buy, let's say, 3 contracts for $1.30 74, and it's gonna be here. It shows you the highlighted area. And let's say we're gonna buy 3. You gotta click auto send, because if you don't click auto send when you buy the ask, it's gonna show you all this stuff which you don't want. But when you click auto send, once you click, it's just gonna start showing you. Another trick also, when it's, let's say you're buying it at 130, but you want to put a stop you want to take profits at 1.55 or something. As soon as you click on it, it's gonna show you here. So once this stock decides to move up right here, which is the price of 74, is gonna lock in your profits 1.55 from 1.30, 1.55. It'll sell automatically for you. Also, you set it here, it's gonna set it there. I'm gonna put a stop limit. Let's say you get in here at the bounce 72 to come up at 73. That'll be it. Just a quick profit. You want to go below to stop profit will be here. So since you have your reward to rate, your risk to reward, obviously you have all this, right? The red, you get it. But that's how you could use this. But it goes 1.30. I'm thinking it's gonna bounce. So let's test it out. I'm gonna just test it so you guys can see how it works. Let's put this when market's about to open. Literally, like, let's say, let's do a little live trading, man. For reals, live trading right here. Might as well do it. Just gonna skip to my demand. Let's go back to where it was. So it's already going. So let's start play button. You'll see how this works. So now we have AMD call 74. They could probably start off at 1.30. We don't know yet until market opens. Market opens about to do it in 1 second. Market's gonna open. Let's see in the 1 minute. All right, let's see if it moves. We're looking, so now you see the price went from 70, it's at 0.76. So if you want here, let's say you want to buy 5. Something's going on. I don't think this is moving. But let's check. 75. We could buy 5. The limit. So when we put buy the ask, it's gonna try to fill us right here at 0.73, which it didn't fill our order. Let's check again. Let's put pause. I don't know what's going on here. I'm just trying to refresh it because the candles aren't working, just so you guys can see live how this works. There you go. Okay, there you go. So the candle's moving now. We're gonna see that it's gonna go up, so let's put play again. So let's say, okay, you think it's gonna bounce now, volume's coming in. Let's go and buy the ask. Or you could buy a little more to the top to get your fill as soon as it breaks out at 73.39. But let's see. We could get a fill right here really fast. I think it's gonna go up. If not, let's get another one here. Look, there's people selling it at 0.68. That's what this means. There's sellers. We're trying to buy 5 contracts at 0.68. So let's see. There you go. Got filled, right? So now we got filled at 0.71. We are down as of now. 0.71. This, when it has the little arrows, this is the area we got filled at. When it has the gray area, that means the price that it's at right now. 0.70 is the price. So let's see if it goes up. Let's see, volume's coming in. Is a B lower EMA. It's 0.78. Let's trim one here. Let's maybe at 0.90. No, that's too far. Let's say, see, so now we're up. We're green right now. 0.77 to 0.71 to 0.76. You want, we could trim here at 82. That's still too far. There you go. We could trim one here now. 0.82, that's the price now. But there's nobody buying there at that area. They got filled. Could trim another one at 87. Or 80. There you go. We sold 3 contracts. 2 contracts. Now we have position of 3 more. Let's see this break at 73.39. Let's trim another one. If it breaks above, let's see what's gonna happen. We could put a limit here at $1. It sells right here $1, but since it's in the morning price, it's gonna pop up. This the IV gets rushed really fast to the upside, so we have a limited time to sell it really quick and make some money. Let's sell 2 here at 0.80, 90. What? Let's put it at $1. I think it is gonna break. See how this goes, just so you guys can see that it might fill right now really fast. I'm just trying to make this a really quick video, just so you guys can see how this works. I'm putting a trim at $1, which is 100 bucks. We bought it at 71. We're already in profit, $20 per contract. We trim 2 here if you guys want, or let's trim all of them. It's up to you. Let's say it's gonna stop right there. We trim all 3 at 100. If it goes to 100. Well, there you go. That's what I mean. See, I'm looking at it right now. Let's say let's just trim here, whatever. Let's trim at 0.90 or 0.80, whatever. It's not moving yet. I don't know what the hell's going on. 0.87, 0.90. Let's sell them all here. Sell them all. 0.90 or 0.4. There you go. Oh shit, it got filled. Got filled. Okay, there you go. So now we filled it. 0.90. We have no positions left. Now let's see how much we profited. $74 just with 5 contracts right there. We locked in profits. And that's how it works. That's how you literally do it. It's up to you. You want to, let's say, hold one runner. You buy another one. Got filled at 0.86. Doesn't matter. Let's go to 82. Let's see what that price is. The 82. Like it's the actually MD went up. Oh shit, I got it right. MD went up. Kept going up. You hold the runner if you want. But we bought it at 0.71, I think, earlier, right? So then now we go back to Active Trader. I'm just trying to reset this. Active Trader, they lost a little bit of value because of the morning run. But see how the IV got crushed even though it went up. It went to 0.77 because it's taking its sweet time to go up. The morning rush, it'll be quick. You really have to trim it out really fast. But you would have made $100 right there easily. And yeah, that's the whole video. Literally that's all I do. Just have that as a setup. You'll be able to get in and out. You want to see a recheck, you want to get out, get in. You buy as many positions as you guys want. That was a quick $100 move with 5 contracts. You wasted like $200-300. That was a 10% move. This goes up higher, then obviously you could set it at 1, start trimming your areas. And yeah, that's about it. Just remember to have this area. You could be able to change the colors. Remember about that one, you can have up to 4, 6 like this. Have BA here. Have another color on BA. Whatever contract, if you're looking at calls or puts. That's it. I don't know, it's taking forever to load. But you see what I mean. Anyways, you change the color look, it's going to show AMD since I still have AMD here. Or red or whatever you guys want. And that'll be your whole setup. Your buy on the right side and your sell on your chart on your left side. Your active trader on the right side and your chart on the left. You'll be able to execute really fast in and out. That's it. Really, that's all about it. Also, remember to save your setup. Go to setup, save your workspace, and then put active trader. Sorry about that. You'll be done. Easy executions for calls, trims, stop limits, order limits. You don't have to do nothing else. You already saw we made. Oh well, it's 65 now because we lost money. It was $75 in the first right at the open. That was the first 2 minutes, 3-minute candles. Or even the 5-minute, we saw it. You buy 10-20 contracts, you already know what would happen. Made $700-600 around there. But that's about it. This is my setup for Thinkorswim, and hopefully this helps you guys. All right, peace out.